super happy because I get to use this today and I get to sit with one of my most favorite actor, as I have told you. And of course, so would you like to say hello to all your fans?
Hello, hi. ठीक से तो बजाओ यार, ठीक से बजाओ, ठीक से बजाओ।
Actually, ये आपको सिखाना चाहिए ना, because you are the Madari.
I'm the Madari, इसका एक ही डमरू है यार।
ये थोड़ा सा लल्लू सा डमरू है हमारे पास, थोड़ा सा अच्छे से बज नहीं रहा। अच्छा, but you know, acting is a lot like, you know, Madari.
Acting is a lot like this.
है ऐसा।
Make noise.
तो आपको ये डायरेक्टर बजा बजा के एक्टिंग कराता है, like you feel like the Madari or you feel like the Bandar?
I feel like the bandar. Most of the time, I felt all my life like a bandar. But you have to find your Madari so that one day your Madari can stand up and say, the bandar is sleeping, now the Madari is acting.
Hey, this is the reason we love him. You have a crazy sense of humor. I like you. By the way, I met you like years back on the sets of Metro, Life in a Metro, and तब से I have just loved his acting. अच्छा, एक बात बताइए कि जो मदारी जिस फिल्म के लिए आज हम मिल रहे हैं, it's a social thriller, right, based on a true event. A lot of research must have been done on the incidents. Do you want to share any interesting episode or an incident that you know आपको पता चला while doing the research for the film?
See, this didn't require a lot of research. We knew a few incidents and the film is based on that. But the thing is, sometimes you wonder when you come across any disaster in the news, when you come across through the news and your newspaper, they carry that disaster and detail of the disaster 1 or 2 days and then it's forgotten. Then you don't know what's happening with that with those people who suffered in that disaster. So this film is trying to see around it, you know, and so it's more of an emotional reaction to that and what a person can go through. A person mostly goes through in these kind of incidents, and so basically it was all about that. It was not about research. This film didn't require any kind of research.
Alright, so those are my questions. But if you have any questions for Irfan, you can send us those questions live here on Facebook Live. But sir, ये जो film है, ये करने का decision क्यों लिया? Well, what was the point of this film कि आपने बोला कि मुझे ये बहुत attract कर रहा है, I have to do this?
See, we are now in a very interesting time when the industry is changing, audience is evolving. Audience already evolved now, but the large chunk of audience which wants to see a film which is not one-dimensional, which is not just time pass, a film which entertains you, engages you, but also remains with you after you watch it. So these are the times. So this is the subject which has this possibility or a potential to make an engaging, entertaining thriller the way it happens in America. That they do sometimes make a story on a particular subject, but it doesn't become a boring issue-based film, which sometimes we tend to make. So they also engages you, they entertain you, but also deals with an issue. So this film had that potential.
Okay, but I want to ask you this as a fan, right? You know, not as a person who's interviewing you. Is Irfan Khan really a serious person, or are you a fun person?
I don't like seriousness because this is being imposed on me. The kind of role they gave me, so I have to do. I have to run my kitchen.
Yeah.
So I do these kind of roles because this is the only choice I've got.
Yeah.
But I'm trying my whatever position I have now. I'm trying to do few stories which are on a lighter. They have a lighter vein, which is little romantic and emotional films and comedy, comic films. So I'm trying those films after this film.
लाइफ बिल्कुल सेम है सबके लिए. हम लोग भी अपने किचन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. इरफान खान जो बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड हर जगह वो भी अपने किचन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं अभी तक. ओके, सो योर एसोसिएशन विद निशिकांत इज फ्रॉम मुंबई मेरी जान, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे कॉलेज आप दोनों को मिले थे. तो इतनी वेट क्यों की दोनों ने टू कम टुगेदर अगेन?
Nishikant chooses subjects very carefully, and he chooses, it takes time to choose his subjects, and he's a director who try to find a resonance in his subjects. Unless and until he identifies with the subject, I think he doesn't do it. So he has taken time to make films. So we got the chance to do after so many years. It just happens. Sometimes things happen. You cannot really make them happen.
Is it because आपके पास dates नहीं थी?
No, it's just that there was no subject like that where we could come together.
So, but अगर आपके पास dates नहीं और बहुत interesting subject आएगा तो क्या करेंगे?
कोई ना कोई एक छोड़नी पड़ेगी जैसे कुछ हॉलीवुड की फिल्में छोड़ दी गई और उसमें फिर आपकी बिरादरी जो है जर्नलिस्ट जो है मीडिया
नहीं, मैं तो फैन हूँ भाई, मैं तो इरफान खान का फैन हूँ, कोई बिरादरी नहीं है मेरी, बट
तो अब लोगों ने टैग दे दिया कि आई हैव रिजेक्टेड
Yeah.
so and so filmmaker that was not right. Just that sometimes it doesn't work, doesn't match, so you have to leave.
No, I want you to reject bad projects because I'm a fan and I want you to see, like I want you to see only in films जहाँ पे आपका रोल वो चल, but ये मुझे पता चला है that आप actually में cricketer बनना चाहते थे.
Actually, I was. Yeah.
So are you happy in the hindsight that acting career अच्छा है या नहीं, मुझे cricket ही खेलना था?
I still, if given a choice, I would be a sportsman. But see, there's no limitation of actors in industry. It's not like 11 actors, सिर्फ 11 actors को chance मिलेगा. So acting में, but it has opened up certain things in my life. It has exposed me to certain things in my life, which I'm really fortunate to be an actor, that I can explore any subject. So each and every subject, all life becomes my subject.
Yeah.
So that is something very interesting about this being an actor, and it just gives you different experience.
Okay, so is it true that when you're making a film on a true life event, it is a little more difficult than doing a normal film?
No, I think this is much more engaging.
Okay.
See, because life is much more. It has more power. Fiction doesn't have that kind of. It doesn't resonate that much. So, making films which are based on real life incidents are much more engaging for me. So because you could relate to those incidents, and it gives you much more material.
Yeah. Okay, so how is a huge commercial Hollywood film different from a huge commercial Bollywood film? The experience.
See, Hollywood is making all kind of cinema. They are right now what they are doing. They are doing this special effects film, sci-fi films. One after the other, they are making franchise film, and I think this somewhere they have gained a lot of audience internationally, but they have lost American audience because of this. That's why in America, a lot of talent has moved to television.
Okay.
And that's why you see great series are coming from there. So they are making all kind of cinema. But the thing is, they still keep the credibility intact.
Yeah.
When they are making a big commercial cinema, if they are dealing with the particular subject, so the information is credible.
Yeah.
In our cinema, if a hero is let's say in police department, so he could turn into Superman, he could turn into Spider-Man.
Yeah.
If he wants.
Yeah.
So we can make our actors are fantastic, so they can make believe in that and they can perform that. But in Hollywood, it's not possible.
Doesn't cut it.
Yeah, they keep the character in the story more credible.
Yeah. So would you be up to do a television series outside or here in India?
I did one which was called In Treatment, HBO series.
No, now, as in.
Oh yes, but the only problem with doing American series is lot of time you have to commit.
Okay.
And then you might lose, lose touch from India. That's the only one thing which sometimes I'm concerned about it, because there were 2 series which came to me and I couldn't do just because of this. So, but I am looking for some interesting subject where I could give time to American series, but still I have my one foot here.
सर बट हमारे इंडिया में आजकल बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शोज बन रहे हैं, कहीं नागिन हो रही है, कहीं छिपकली हो रही है, कहीं छदाई सांड हो रहा है. Would you like to do anyone?
Yes, why not?
Yeah. All right, the producers were casting Irfan Khan.
They have to cast me in the Nagin's role.
You would want to be the
Yes.
Nagin?
Yeah, I want to.
That I would love to see. So how do you choose your projects like this? Is it just
I
for
get
this?
inspiration from people like you know, who suggest me that you could do Nagin.
Nagin.
So that's why, you know, this is now a new possibility which has just come up.
Yeah.
Right now, while talking to you, I was not aware that I could do that.
Yeah.
But as you described it, you know, I got interested in it.
कितना मजा
So,
आएगा ना?
one Nagin, another. Tell me more.
So there's this बहुत सारे हैं मतलब अभी कोई recently मक्खी भी बनी है Indian television पे heroine.
Makhi.
मक्खी. She turns into a मक्खी.
Makhi थोड़ा time है यार. और छिपकली.
वो मेरे ख्याल से we should make that.
Okay.
छिपकली अभी तक आया नहीं. It's an untouched topic. So maybe we can produce
So,
it and cast you.
Yeah,
in it.
please. So we should give the message to
Yeah.
all the producers
So
and
would you want
channels.
to say?
So please, producers who are listening to it, you know, just write a subject about Chipkali, and you know, and also the writers and the directors. I'm just, you know, telling you my desire. I want to play a role of Chipkali
Yeah.
in television.
Wow, that I would love to watch it. TRPs मैं अकेले बढ़ाऊंगा. Okay, the 3 things which Bollywood should learn from Hollywood and vice versa. Hollywood should also learn from Bollywood.
You think Bollywood is waiting to learn something?
I don't think so. It's a question I have. बात है.
Why do we want to impose things on our industry? They already know everything.
पर सर हॉलीवुड को तो कुछ सीखना चाहिए ना.
और वो
हमसे.
सीखना चाहिए कैसे हम यू नो सॉन्ग एंड डांस कैसे कर सकते हैं, कब किसी भी मौके पे नाच सकते हैं. जितने हम बात कर रहे हैं, मान लो तुम लड़की थी या मैं लड़की होता तो यहीं खड़े खड़े कैसे हम
हाँ.
यू नो सो वी कैन मेक बिलीव ऑन एनीथिंग. सो वी आर नॉट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड only that, you know, we are doing realistic. You know, we can just fly from just sitting here and we can fly.
Yeah, we can. Actually, so I've lived abroad, and there are really funny questions that people ask us about Indian films and about India. What was the funniest question someone asked you?
In abroad.
When you're shooting abroad, when you were going outside, because बहुत सारे perceptions हैं इंडिया के बारे में और Indian film industry के बारे में.
Nobody has asked me, but you know, when they talk about it, it's like, oh, Bollywood. Oh, so it's like, you know, they think that our cinema is except song and dance, there's nothing in our cinema. So that is the perception we have.
Yeah.
But slowly, I'm hoping, and I wish it will change, and it is going to change, you know, in some time.
Did they also ask you to do that light bulb वाला dance? Because मुझसे हर जगह every club I would go to is like, oh, you're from Bollywood, you do this light bulb वाला dance. So you know they make us do that.
I'm fortunate enough that, you know, I don't give these vibes.
Okay, but since you've told us, you know, आपने खुद बताया कि आप बहुत serious नहीं हैं, तो हम ये मजेदार चीज आपके साथ करने वाले. We're gonna डमरू हमने आपको दे दिया
When you have these kind of things, then I become serious. And I don't know what you're coming up with.
सर मतलब 3 सेकंड के लिए अगर आप कर दो 30 सेकंड के लिए अगर आप कर दोगे तो मेरा चेक आराम से आ जाएगा. तो आई थिंक यू नो यू कैन बी चैरिटेबल राइट नाउ
Alright.
एंड डू दिस फॉर मी. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड नेवर एवर हैव आई, जहाँ पे आपके पास ये मदारी का डमरू हमने दिया है. आई विल बी आस्किंग अ सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चन. अगर आपका आंसर है आई हैव, देन आप इस डमरू को यू नो ऑब्वियसली यू डू दिस. और अगर आई हैव नॉट,
टूटा हुआ डमरू क्यों दिया मुझको यार?
सब बजट कम बजट इंडियन सर मतलब क्या
बजाते फट तो नहीं जाएगा?
could be
फट भी सकता है बजाते.
वो भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट हो जाएगा. Anyways, never have I ever bullied anyone in my life.
तो यस बोलना हो तो बजाऊं?
तो यस बोलना है तो बजाइए और नो बोलना है तो नहीं बजाइए. He has. Now come on, आपकी शक्ल से दिख गया किसको बुली करते हैं आप.
मैं वो क्यों बताऊंगा? मैंने बता दिया बुली किया है कभी लाइफ.
चलिए ठीक है. Never ever have I bunked work saying आज तबीयत डाउन है यार, आज भी नहीं. Is it for recent film shoot?
Not in a recent interview.
अच्छा oh.
I was about to bunk this.
Yeah, well, I'm lucky that he didn't. Anyways, never have I ever checked out a girl in a pub or a cafe. Alright, which is the club that girls should come to meet you to be checked out by you? कहाँ पे frequent करते हैं आप?
I'll give you my personal email address.
Which we can put it on Twitter?
On Twitter.
All right. Okay. Never have I ever envied my contemporaries' work. ये तो आप बता सकते हैं who's that. बड़ा खुश हो जाएगा जो भी है.
There was a time when I used to feel insecure and little jealous कि why I'm not getting these kind of opportunities. I'm out of it, that circle, but I have been like insecure many times earlier in my life, but now I don't feel that much.
But are you aware of this, that most of the people who work around you get insecure with your acting?
Sometimes they get intimidated, but I make it sure that, you know, that doesn't remain for longer time. You know, 5 मिनट लगते हैं मुझको लोगों को easy करने में. They become easy.
All right. Never have I ever been dumped by a girl. Really? Irfan Khan has been dumped by someone. Would you like to talk about it?
Actually, initially I was dumped by everybody.
Okay, and ऐसा क्या?
Whoever came in my, I couldn't even talk to them. Before talking, before saying hello,
हाँ.
I used to get this vibe कि she's, अगर मैंने hello बोल दिया तो ये वहीं dump कर देगी मुझको. या कभी जाके बात कर लिया कि सुनो I want to क्या है?
All right, so dump तो बात ही नहीं
कुछ
पहुंची.
हेलो देखिए हेलो
Dump.
देखिए नहीं हेलो उसका लोकी ऐसा होता था कि क्या व्हाट
आई एम सो श्योर कि अगर वो लोग अभी फेसबुक लाइव देख रहे हैं तो बोलेंगे डैम यार मैंने अपनी किस्मत क्यों खराब कर ली, हॉलीवुड घूम लेती. एनीवेज, नेवर हैव आई एवर डिसलाइक्ड माय को-स्टार.
नेवर
कोई को-स्टार था जिसको आपने डिसलाइक किया हो कि नहीं इसकी तो शक्ल ही नहीं देखनी, शूट तो क्या है.
see dislike is a wrong word.
Okay.
It's like sometimes you don't vibe with some certain co-actor and the chemistry doesn't happen. Was yes that has happened, but it doesn't happen regularly. There are times when people are they are not the chemistry is not there.
Okay.
That happens.
According to you, whose chemistry with you is the best on screen?
Most of the time all my co-actresses I've been fantastic. I had a great chemistry even with the actors.
I loved your chemistry with Deepika. That was such an interesting pairing.
I had a great time working with her, and I'm fortunate that I find some way or the other to I'm a chemistry man.
Yeah.
So I strike chemistry wherever I go. So that's
अरे with a wink, हाँ, so हम समझ गए. Anyways, never have I ever been caught doing an inappropriate act during my teens.
no, I wasn't.
पकड़े नहीं गए.
पकड़े नहीं गए.
अरे वाह, इसे क्या? Well, I need to take tips from this one, and whoever's written the questions has a very evil mind. Never have I ever bashed someone on the streets. मतलब कहीं पे भी streets क्यों? आपने कभी किसी पे हाथ उठाया?
मेरे से उठे हैं हाथ एक बार. वो भी जब in college. So let me.
Actually हमको ये इंटरव्यू खत्म कर देना चाहिए बहुत जल्दी क्योंकि अभी
नहीं, but I disliked it.
Yeah.
Whatever happened, I didn't enjoy it. So it's not my trait. It's very difficult that even किसी बात का. This is
Your
the
fans
worst
are also
thing.
sending us questions. So there is a guy called Prathamesh Dalvi. You can say hi to Prathamesh.
Hi Prathamesh.
He says, which is your favorite character you have done so far in the films that you have done?
भाई बहुत सारे हैं एक साथ नहीं, मतलब कैसे बताऊँ आपके, अगर characters I like your kids. How can you discriminate? Sometimes you enjoy film, or sometimes you don't. But there are characters which I have liked immensely, from Hasil to Maqbool to Warrior, Metro, Namesake, or Pan Singh Tomar, Piku, Madari. There are characters which you like, and you cannot really compare. With each other. It's just that they have their own space. There are few which are favorite, like Pan Singh Tomar is one of my favorite, and I wish the Madari becomes same for you as well. So let's see.
Alright. Jeevan Vignesh says कि आप why are you so much interested in acting in movies which are national award winning films? I mean to say most character oriented roles.
Thank you for doing great research. I've never won a national award, only once. And when some director comes to me, he says that I have won few national awards, I don't even listen to the narration. So I swear. Sometimes it has happened. A guy who came and said I have won 9 times, I have won national award. So I have never ever met him, and I will never meet him, because national award is not something people don't watch you because you win national award. People watch you because they like you as an actor, or they like the entertainment you are going to provide them. So I'm not in that trap of national award thing. You might say that I've been working on in films which have a kind of which reflects life, but this is what I've been doing, and I'm here to challenge this definition of commercial cinema. We will redefine commercial cinema. We'll redefine entertainment.
All right. Nikita Desai says, can you tell us more about your role in Madari?
निकिता प्लीज़ फिल्म देख लो, इसीलिए बनाई है फिल्म. मैं अभी रोल के बारे में बताऊंगा तो मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर पाऊंगा. आप फिल्म देखिए, और ट्रेलर से जितना पता चल रहा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा है. सो प्लीज़ वॉच द फिल्म, उसके बाद हम वैसी कुछ और बात कर लेंगे.
मोहम्मद शहजाद सालिम says, who's your favorite singer?
There are few. Arijit is one which I really like. Or the guy who wrote Uri Chiraiya. Swanand I like. Swanand. And there are many. अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा लेकिन बहुत सारे हैं मेरे favorite singer.
Do you sing?
I don't sing. I've just sung a national anthem yesterday.
Okay.
So,
Which we can't.
शुरुआत की है.
मतलब वो तो हम यहाँ नहीं करा
I can
सकते.
sing national anthem.
नहीं सर वो नहीं खड़े खड़े होना पड़ेगा इंटरव्यू खत्म हो जाएगा. But tell me something, you know, Twitter पे your fans are sending these messages, Facebook live पे. Do you interact with your fans on Twitter sometimes?
I do post my whatever I post, but सबको एक का जवाब मैं नहीं दे पाता हूँ because मैं उसको boring नहीं बनाना चाहता.
हाँ नहीं पर पढ़ते तो होंगे.
I do read and I do you know sometimes when I feel like I do you know respond, but वो सब ना कि हर आदमी को थैंक यू और बाय बाय बोलना वो मैं नहीं कर पाता बिकॉज मैं नहीं चाहता. वैसी लाइफ इतनी बोरिंग होती है कई बार. अब ट्विटर को भी अगर आप बोरिंग बना दें अपने लिए तो बट आई डू रीड मोस्ट ऑफ द.
Have you seen your memes जो बनाते हैं जैसे मैंने देखे थे आपकी जो एवेंजर्स की कास्ट चेंज करके आपके फोटो लगाए थे और बहुत सारे ऐसे. Have you seen those memes?
I've seen and sometimes they are very interesting. Sometimes they are like you know there are few which can offend other actors. So you know, I feel like यार क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा. लोगों को ऐसा ना लगे कि मेरी तरफ से आया है. But I do see them. Sometimes people sketch your face.
Yeah,
which
those
is
are
very
amazing.
interesting. Right, like right now somebody my
Sent you on Twitter?
profile pic on Twitter is sketched by somebody. See.
Oh yeah.
I'll show you. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
This is somebody has sketched this, and this is my profile pic, and I loved it.
So you
This
can
is
definitely
beautiful.
get in touch with him because he is watching. Anyways, Vicky Sharma ने बोला, are you going to work in any other Hollywood movie next?
हॉलीवुड मूवी से मैंने फिलहाल संन्यास नहीं लिया है. अगर अच्छा मौका अच्छी फिल्म आई अच्छा कैरेक्टर मिला तो मैं ज़रूर काम करूँगा.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जहाँ पे भी काम करे मैं इनकी फिल्में देखता रहूंगा. आई एम हिज फैन. आई टोल्ड हिम years back. I have said it to him today. And please go and watch Madari because here's one actor I'm absolutely proud of. Thank you so much, sir, for being
Thank
with
you.
us. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you guys can watch this later also only on Spot Boy. Watch this.